be prepared for the cold weather snaps like this. I'm gonna give you some advice, future advice, things not to do, things to do, but items that would have helped you out during this time period. And preppers, a lot of them are in good shape on this. We are. Anyway, you know what I'll do? I've got an Amazon store. Costs you nothing more. I'm an Amazon affiliate. I'm gonna create something for cold weather, something like that, and I'm gonna put what items I find that I have that I'm using in that, and I'll leave a link to it down below. You'll just say cold weather Amazon link or something like that, and some of these items that I go over will be there for you. Appreciate it. It helps our channel out. All right, so we got the rolling electric outage here in Texas. Yes, we do. So far we have not lost power, and that is weird because the neighborhoods around us have. A lot of family has. All right, but the things that help you out, the number one thing to help you when you're sleeping, get you a weighted blanket. We got a weighted blanket in there, and what happens is that weighted blanket lays on you and your heat goes up and it just warms you up. You might sweat. That's how good that one is. And to go with that, get you some of these emergency blankets. They're like red on one side, silver on the other, so it's reversible. Also goes good on tents and things like that. And you could wrap up in that, and your body heat goes around and keeps that in there. Thermal underwear, a Mr. Buddy heater. That's right, it's got a CO2 thing on it to let you know it's safe to be in there. I mean, I'm guessing, I think I read that, yeah. Those little green bottles that go with it. Firewood's good to have. Oh, check this out. They don't sell this one anymore, but I'm gonna leave a link to it. They sell a charger that I keep with me all the time so I can charge my phone when I'm not around electricity and things like that. But the other thing is it has enough power to start a car 2 times. All right, it doesn't do a good job starting a diesel truck like I have. That pulls a lot, but that's the way it goes. Flashlights, the batteries for flashlights. Something not to do. A lot of people are going to run out next week to Harbor Freight and all these places, and they're going to buy a generator. This will be over by then. This doesn't happen all the time, so be careful about that. The shelves will be empty of them, probably. Know how to turn the water off at your house, because let's say you have a pipe busted. It's frozen right now. When it unfreezes, it'll start leaking. Know how to turn the water off to your house so you can stop the flooding from that happening. Get ready for that happening to a lot of people. Keep your phone charged, because when your electricity does go out, you got a full load, and then you have these little charger packs. When it's going to run low, you plug into that, and you can keep it going. Keep a full tank of fuel in your vehicle. That's right. Good thing to do. I've already said extra batteries for flashlights. Propane and gas cookers. All right, if people have these propane and gas cookers, you can continue to cook meals for your family. And if your electricity's been out for a couple days now, people are taking their food out of their freezer and putting it outside. I know there's animals and stuff. You might be able to figure that one out yourself. You know, we got coyotes running around here. Open the doors to the cabinets to your sinks to help heat up the pipes and stuff like that. That's what I have for you right now. God bless y'all. All right, and by the way, this is Papa Texas on YouTube. You can find me at papatexas.tv. I do outdoor cooking videos and other stuff, and some prepping stuff to help y'all out at times. Y'all be careful, stay warm, stay blessed. It's Papa Texas. See ya. Links are down below. My channel's up here somewhere. Oh, right there. Is that me? Find me. Yeah. See y'all.